What's going on, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install GTA 5 on your PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and search for Steam Download. Open the official Steam website and click Install Steam to download the installer. Once the download is complete, install Steam on your computer. After the installation finishes, launch the Steam app. If you already have a Steam account, simply sign in. If you don't have one yet, click Create a new account. Complete the registration process and then log in. After signing in, you'll be on the Steam homepage. Use the search bar at the top to search for GTA 5. Open the Games page. Enter your birth date if prompted and click View Page. Scroll down and click Add to Cart. Then select View My Cart and click Continue to Payment. Choose your preferred payment method and fill in the required details, including your billing information. Once everything is complete, finish your purchase. After purchasing the game, go to your library and open the Home section. You'll see GTA 5 in your game library. Click Install, choose the installation location if needed, and wait for the download and installation to finish. Once it's installed, click Play and enjoy GTA 5 on your PC or laptop. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.